Here's how to convert USDT to EUR on KuCoin step by step. First, before you even swap, you can use the built-in crypto converter to check the latest rate. Or, if you want to watch live price charts, go to the USDT EUR trading pair under Spot Market. Now, for the fastest method, 1. Log into your KuCoin account. 2. Go to Trade, Convert. 3. Select from USDT and to EUR. 4. Enter the amount you want to convert. 5. Review the quote and hit Convert. That's it. No fees, super quick, and perfect for instant swaps without placing orders. But if you're actually cashing out to your bank in euros, you'll need to use P2. P-trading instead. Once go to the P2P section and choose Sell USDT. Pick a verified buyer that supports your payment method, like SEPA bank transfer. Enter the amount and confirm the sale. KuCoin holds your funds in escrow until the buyer sends payment. Once you verify the money has landed, release the USDT and you're done. So those are the two main ways: convert for quick swaps inside KuCoin, or P2P if you want real euros in your account. If this helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more